Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Of the world, we got to know the real sense what you are as a person. So tell me more about you. What are you as a person?
Not all of us have all the qualities. Not all of us know, how to do everything.
What's a typical life in a B school, Avishakta? Is it too busy or is it too light, or how is it happening right now?
MBA is mostly called a nightlife program. We always stay awake at night, like an hour or
Right.
half an hour. Then
Right.
you're gonna go have your dinner. And then you're gonna come back. You're gonna feel like, oh, आज का ये Netflix show बाकी रह गया है, देख लेती हूँ यार, या फिर
Yeah. Hi everyone, welcome on board. We're doing Real Humans of B School and I've got Avishakta joining in with us. Is it Avishakta or is it Avishikta?
it's Avishikta.
It's Avishikta joining in from IFT Kolkata. Avishikta, welcome on board.
Thank you, Rahul.
Okay, I have a quick straight question. This is like the Real Humans of B School. Here we talk about, people from IMA, BC, IFT, SPGs of the world. We got to know the real sense what you are as a person. So tell me more about you. What are you as a person?
Okay, so as a person, I would say I'm a little bit eccentric, impatient. I start a lot of things, and like a lot of us, live a lot of them midway as well. So I'm sort of glad that I was able to finish my first novel. Completely finished it for the first time after trying and writing 14 novels, writing them, and then like giving them in between.
Okay.
So I mean midway. So that is it. Apart from that, every other young adult in India, I guess. Like I watch Netflix and Amazon Prime. I binge watch shows. I love Domino and Pizza Hut and McD. And I love my parents a little bit, but also
That's
I mean,
great.
yeah,
That's
that's
great.
it.
Tell me about the B school life. मैंने सुना ऐसा होता है कि once you join in a B school, life is sorted and people are like, I'm from SPJ in Bombay. I've lived that life 10 years ahead of you. But yeah, so how is it right now? How is the B school life? सब sorted है कि there are patches of it?
When is life ever sorted? When has life ever been sorted? Come on, like that's not done. Like whoever thinks like after a certain point of time things will get sorted, they are like living in another world. To be told, never is sorted. One problem ends, the biggest. After completing HS, the tension was like graduation में क्या करेंगे? उसके बाद then it was like कि graduation के बाद okay graduation हो गया, post graduation में क्या करेंगे? Post graduation में अब कर रहे हैं उसके बाद tension नौकरी कहाँ मिलेगी? नौकरी जहाँ मिलेगी क्यों पैसा सीएस मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा? It's very difficult, like but I have learned it useful that like fake it till you make it. It's pretty much like that.
Fake it till you make
So
it.
I would-
What do you mean
Yeah.
by that? Just go slow and explain us. You're talking a little too fast. I'm missing
yeah.
the words. Yeah, tell me.
Okay, sorry, yeah.
No
Okay,
worries.
so fake it till you make it. It basically means that not all of us have all the qualities. Not all of us know how to do everything. Okay, but B school, I guess B school have a lot of diversity, and that gives you a lot of peers to learn from. Like you get to learn from your roommate as well as you get to learn from your classmates, and like all of them have a little bit of qualities that you don't have, and you bring a different thing to the table, of course, like your own unique thing to the table. But apart from that, it's more like you have to learn from them.
Yeah.
And unless you learn from them, you have to ask them somehow or convince them somehow to help you,
Right.
because you will need that. You
Right.
will need that to survive in a B school. You
Right.
will definitely need that. You will definitely need someone to help you with your assignments, to make you understand subjects that you don't.
So
And
I got it. So what's faking in that? What's the ideology?
I guess it's more like see, to be very true, like I don't know much about financial modeling, okay?
Hmm.
But if I have to sit in an interview, maybe like or
Oh, got it.
something,
Got it.
go, like just go through an overview and just go and say something.
Yeah.
They won't ask you in details, but at least give them use some jargons, use something so that they at least they can got something. Rest
That's
of it you
that,
can.
that's a quite a controversial statement, but I would
Yeah, I
agree.
know.
I would agree with it. Actually, MBA teaches marketing, finance, HR, and then they train you to go wide rather than deep. So when you go wide, you can actually talk it up. Whenever anything is asked to you, you can sit in a conversation of finance or even IT or even HR that you can do. That's great. How is a typical life in a B school, Avishakta? I mean, is it too busy or is it too light or how is it happening right now?
Okay, it depends on which day it is and what's my schedule in class. So some days we have class starting from 9:15 in the morning, going on till 6:45 in the evening, back to back four classes. In between, you just get half an hour to have your lunch and 15 minutes break. So that's it. Like that's more like it. And like the most of your day is gone already. So after 6:55, you have night.
Hmm.
MBA is mostly called a nightlife program. Like we stay awake at night, and we
Right.
stay awake at night. There's a reason for that. Like some of us can go to sleep at 10 in the night or 12 in the night if they want to, but you don't because you
Yeah.
have to finish your assignments for the next day, and you want to start it the day before that.
Actually, in my
You're
first
never
year,
gonna start.
in my
Yeah,
first
say go
year of
ahead.
in my first year of SPJ in Bombay, we actually complained to our the dean and the director that it's too strenuous. We not getting enough sleep. We're losing here. See, I started losing there. So we losing here, and he called us all of us. Okay, I'll address all of you guys. And then we complained. We sleep at 5 a.m. in the morning. He said very good, but what time do you start? You start at 2 a.m. in the night, तो भाई 5 तो बजेंगे ना. You start at 8 p.m. in the night, तो 10 बजे तक खत्म होता है. That was so true, actually. That was so true. We all start late as well, and
Yeah.
but that's what the B
See,
school
like
life is.
after 7 p.m., like once your classes gets over, you are gonna, like chill with your friends for like an hour or half
Right,
an hour. Then you're
right.
gonna go have your dinner, sorry. And then you're gonna come back, you're gonna feel like, oh, आज का ये Netflix show बाकी रह गया है, देख लेती हूँ यार. या फिर,
Yeah,
maybe like, oh, I have to finish this article that I am
right,
writing for this competition. I have to do that first, then assignments. Also, like you
right,
have your friends to help you with assignments then.
right, right,
Like some of them are good at this, some of them are good at that. So you go
right.
like you choose the person who is good at what, and you
That's
take
so
help from
true.
them.
That's so true. What are
That's
the
it. That's
uh,
how it is.
just taking the conversation forward? What are the few things you have learned per se in the past 1.5 years in the college right now? What have you learned that Avishakta before her graduation, her MBA was this, and now you've pinpointed one or two cool things. What are those cool or warm things which you've adorned over the past few days?
Okay. Okay. So I would say, apart from this getting a hang of this philosophy that fake it till you make it, which is very essential. Trust me. Like, and apart from that, I have learned that like you need to rely on people. You cannot do it. You cannot do everything alone. Like. So getting into MBA till my graduation, I was very self-reliant person. Like everything I try to do on my own. I tried to like do everything on my own. Like I mean, help me with everything else. But while it's come to studying, I used to do everything on my own, and I thought I could do everything like that in MBA as well. But when you're given like 7 courses in in a span of 3 months, and you have classes back to back from 9:15 and 6:45, you don't have time to go through the books, like the whole of the books, the thick
Yeah,
books that you
yeah,
get.
yeah.
Okay, so you divide it and you win. That's
Right,
how you do. That's how you pass your
right,
exams. That's how you
right.
pass your quizzes. That's how it goes.
So,
You
so,
divide it and you win.
so it's group sum. It's group sum. That's
Yeah,
what it's. You can't do it alone.
yeah, you can't do it alone.
Group sum is the
You
wrong
can't. You
usage.
actually can't. You don't have the time.
Yeah, you don't have the time. You can't. That's lovely. Your parting thoughts to all these people who are listening to you. It's a real human of B school session. What are the few skills you tell them? Like, yeah, when you to come to B schools, come with this kind of mindset. Go with this kind of mindset. Any thought processes you have on that?
I would say go with open mind. It's very necessary. You have a preconceived notion about something, it's not gonna go well, because you know uh, they say like you need to break first to rebuild
You
and
need
get
to
rebuilded.
you need to
I mean,
just
you need to break first. Like you need to break your previous mold first to
yeah,
get rebuilt.
yeah.
So yeah, that is important. So like, don't go with a preconceived notion that this is gonna happen. This is how it happens. Don't rely on stories that other people have told you. Go with an open mind and go with how to experience new things, and like face out things that you might not existed before.
Right. This is
But
so
you will
amazing.
definitely face them.
Yeah, I tell all my students whom I teach, like it's like the glass. If the glass is already full, and if I pour more water on this, it's nothing is going to go inside. It's going to just fall inside. So go with an open mind, an empty glass, and things are going to be great. Thank you so much, Avishakta. Thank you so much. You were awesome, and trust me, this is one of the truest and the realest of the interviews what I've got on this season. Thank you so much.
Thank you.